Welcome back, fellow creators. In this class, we're diving into a feature that will elevate your videos to new heights, text-to-speech in Clipchamp. Get ready to unlock the power of voice with ease. We'll talk through the ins and outs of this feature, from fine-tuning settings for the best results to exploring the top speakers and multiple accents available. Whether you're adding narration, captions, or character voices, get ready to give your videos a voice that commands attention. Let's dive in. So first of all, what you need to do is you're gonna open Clipchamp in your PC. If you wanna open Clipchamp from your browser, it's completely fine. But if you wanna open the application like I am doing, you can do it as well. Just type into the search box for Microsoft Clipchamp and then just click on that. As you can see here that this is the home page of Microsoft Clipchamp, and if you scroll down here, you will be able to see here all your video projects if you have done any in the past. And if you scroll up back, you will be able to see here the features which are highlighted by Clipchamp. And as you can see here, among these features, you are also able to see text-to-speech feature. So to get started, you can either click on try it on this text-to-speech feature, or you can click on create a new video. Once you have done any of that, the Clipchamp will be opened. And as you can see here, this is the editing interface. Now if you see at the left side of your screen, you will be able to see here different options. But you're gonna go with the second option, which is record and create. Once you click on that, you will be able to see here further more options like camera, screen and audio. And if you see at the very bottom of this list, you will be able to see here text-to-speech option, which we will be using in this video. So to get started, just click on that. And then you will be able to see here text-to-speech options on the right side of your screen. As you can see here, the first option you have is language, the second one is voice, and after that you have the option to insert your text. Let's go through these options one by one. So first of all, if we click this arrow on the language section, as you can see here that we have all the languages spoken in the world. But not just the languages, we also have the option to select among different regions where these languages are spoken. So for example, if we look through the English language, as you can see here that we have not one, not two, but multiple options for English. For example, we want to get started with English from United States. Once we click on that, the second option we have is to select the voice. And as you can see here, we have multiple speakers to select, so you can just go with any of these. And if you want to find out that how the specific speakers sound like before inserting your text, you can just click on here this voice option.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
And once you are comfortable with your speaker, you can start inserting your text. And once you have done that, if you want to find out how this sentence would sound like, you can just click on preview.
Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Now if we see the option below the voice, as you can see here we have advanced settings. And if we click on this, we are able to change the emotion and pitch of the speaker. So you can actually choose it from here. For now, I'm gonna select cheerful. And now, if you scroll down again and then click on preview, we will be able to listen a voice with a different emotion.
Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell.
As you can see here, the new voice we just created is according to the emotion we selected. Similarly, you can also change the pitch of the speaker from here. And from the pace, you are able to select the speed of your voice. For example, you wanna make a YouTube short or video like that, which have a certain limit. For this, you have the option to increase or decrease your voice speed. If you are having a certain limit in your video, obviously you're gonna increase the speed of your voice. For example, if I do some here, and then click on preview,
Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell.
the changes are made. You can just test this out by dragging this left or right on this line. Now if you wanna have a video in which you don't wanna have the United States English accent, So you can click on this arrow again and choose any of the other accents. For example, you wanna have a video with Nigerian accent, you can actually select that. And once you change the language region, as you can see here that we don't have that same speaker. This means that you have different voices for different regions. And if I select this one and then click on preview,
Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell.
as you can listen here, the voice is adjusted according to the region I selected. Similarly, this time we're gonna change the region to Australia. If you wanna have different changes within the tone of this voice, you can actually do that. For example, I wanna have this voice to have a break after subscribe. So I'm gonna add a comma after subscribe. And then if I click on preview again,
Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell.
you can listen that the tone of the voice has been changed according to the text which I inserted. As you know that this text-to-speech feature in Clipchamp is not limited to one language only. For this reason, we are also going to try another language. I am going to try Russian language. For this, I'm just going to find Russian in this list. And then I'm going to select any random speaker from here. After that, I'm going to paste here the text which I have converted from English to Russian. And once that's all has been done, you can click on preview.
Обязательно подпишитесь и нажмите на колокольчик.
And as the voice was being converted in English language, in the same way, it's also generating voices in other languages. Every time you can just click on this language option and then select any of these languages from here. And once you have made all the changes that which voice you wanna have, you can simply click on save. Then your voice will be imported in your timeline. And if you play this voice,
Make sure to subscribe and hit that notifications bell.
as you can listen, it's clear. And now, if you wanna add a video, you can simply drag and drop your video from your media, or you can also click on add a video from here. And once you have done all of that, you're gonna click on export from the upper right hand corner of your screen. Then you can go with any of these options, and as you can see here, your video will be exported as an MP4 file. And because it will be an MP4 file, it will also contain a video along with your audio. So for example, I'm gonna select an 80p and then just wait until the loading finishes. As I told you that you also have a video along with your audio, if you wanna separate both of them, you can do that by any file converter website. For this video, I'm gonna use this website which is Cloud Convert. Once you are here, you can simply click on select file. After that, you can select your file and then click on open. Then if you click on this arrow, you're gonna click on audio and then you're gonna select any file which you wanna have. For now, I'm gonna go with MP3. And once you have done all of that, you can then click on convert. And as you can see here, our video has been separated and we're just gonna click on download to download our audio file. As we conclude this class, you have uncovered the secrets of text-to-speech in Clipchamp, opening up a world of possibilities for your content. But wait, there's still much more to explore. Don't miss out on the upcoming tutorials where we'll dive deeper into advanced techniques and features. Hit that subscribe, ring the bell, and join me in the next lesson where we'll continue our journey through the wonders of Clipchamp. Keep creating, and we'll see you in the next class.